is. And this quote really sums it all up. A diagnosis of respiratory failure isn't just another symptom. It is a milestone. It's a signal that the underlying disease has entered a new, much more dangerous phase, and unfortunately, it worsens the patient's long-term outlook.
So the next time you take a simple breath without even thinking about it, maybe just take a second. Appreciate that incredible, invisible engine working tirelessly inside you. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other complex, beautiful systems are humming along right now, just below the surface, performing the constant, quiet miracle of keeping you alive?